Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we move with sensuality, with grace, and with deep presence. Let every stretch be an act of love, a gentle conversation between body and breath. Now, take a deep breath in. Let it rise through your chest, filling you up. And exhale slowly, melting into your space. Let's begin. Come to a comfortable seated position. Let your hands rest gently on your thighs. As you inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears. And as you exhale, roll them back and down, slowly, smoothly. Now, gently tilt your head to the right, feeling that stretch along the neck. Breathe into it and switch sides when you're ready. This is your pace. This is your body. Let it lead. Come onto all fours, hands beneath shoulders, knees beneath hips. As you inhale, hack your spine, lift your head, lift your tailbone. Feel the heart open. Exhale, round the spine. Tuck your chin, draw your belly in. Close your eyes if that feels good. Let this become fluid, almost like a wave moving through you. Sensual, gentle, deliciously slow. Press back into child's pose, knees wide, toes together, arms reaching forward. Let your hips sink down and gently sway them side to side, softly, slowly. Feel the stretch through the sides of the body. Feel your breath deepen. Feel yourself surrender. Now, lie down on your back. Bring your right ankle over your left thigh and gently pull the left knee in. Let your hips melt into the floor. Feel the gentle stretch through your glutes and inner thighs. Switch legs when you're ready. Let every exhale bring you deeper into yourself, into stillness. Extend your legs long, then gently hug your right knee into your chest. Take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, guide the knee across your body to the left. Extend your right arm out to the side, palm open. Gaze can follow if it feels good. Feel the twist through your spine, the release in your lower back. This is where tension leaves the body. Breathe into that space. Slowly come back to center and repeat on the other side. Thank you for sharing this sensual stretch journey. May you carry this softness with you, this grace, this connection. See you all in part 2. Have a nice day.